Princeton, New Jersey, July 1935. While collaborating at the Institute for Advanced Study, physicists Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen published a groundbreaking idea. They concluded that the theory of relativity actually allows for shortcuts across the spacetime continuum. These paths, called Einstein Rosen bridges, more commonly known as wormholes, could connect two distant locations, making travel to the most remote stars in the universe possible. A wormhole can be imagined as a piece of paper bent so that two far apart points touch. Punch a hole through and you create a direct connection. That is the basic concept behind a wormhole. The nearest star system to Earth is 4.2 light-years away. Traveling there at the speed of light, 186,000 miles per second, would still take over 4 years. A wormhole is the only theoretical way to reach such distances quickly. But turning wormholes from theory into technology poses enormous challenges. Creating a traversable wormhole would require unimaginable amounts of energy far beyond anything humans can produce. Although no such matter has been discovered, the idea remains theoretically possible. The energy needed would be colossal, comparable to converting the entire mass of Jupiter into pure energy. Even then, most scientists agree that humanity is still far from being able to build a wormhole, if it can be done at all. However, some researchers suggest that wormholes may already exist. In 1991, scientists at Vanderbilt University proposed that the chaos of the Big Bang could have created countless tiny wormholes billions of years ago. As spacetime was stretched, compressed, and torn apart, miniature wormholes, perhaps the size of atoms, could have formed. If found today, these tiny wormholes might be stretched into larger, traversable ones. This idea raises a provocative question. If natural wormholes existed long ago, is it possible that advanced beings used them to travel to Earth in ancient times? In November 2022, a team of physicists led by Caltech professor Maria Spyropoulou used Google's powerful Sycamore quantum computer to simulate an observable, traversable wormhole. Inside this simulated universe, information was transferred from one processor to another as if through a wormhole. The next step is translating such simulations into real, physical technology. Modern science now suggests that space and time can be curved so dramatically that gateways to other parts of the galaxy may one day be built. Stephen Hawking believed that while extremely difficult, constructing a stargate might be theoretically possible. If humanity ever succeeds, instantaneous travel to the Moon, Mars, or distant stars could become reality. With precise coordinates, travel across the galaxy could happen in an instant. Stargate technology could reveal hidden dimensions of the universe and completely reshape human civilization, a new beginning for mankind. In 2013 at Cal State Fullerton, physicist Jim Woodward pursued a different approach to rapid space travel. Driven by the desire to overcome propulsion limits, he explored Mach's principal controversial idea from 1883, suggesting that the inertia of an object is influenced by the mass of the entire universe. Woodward hypothesized that if the connection between local mass and distant cosmic matter could be manipulated, enormous amounts of negative energy might be unlocked. With this, constructing a stargate might become possible. He experimented with PZT crystals, creating a device called the Mach effect thruster. When electricity passes through the crystals, their mass fluctuates slightly. If Mach's principle is correct, this fluctuation interacts with the distant matter of the universe and produces tiny, measurable thrust. Woodward's data seem to show exactly these effects. If proven true, Mach's principle could open the door to wormhole creation. Ancient astronaut theorists connect these modern theories with ancient mythology. Norse legends describe the magical ship Skidbladnir, given to the god Freyr. It could travel anywhere instantly, always had a favorable wind, and could be folded into a small pouch. Some believe Skidbladnir may have been a misunderstood description of a spacecraft. The creators of these magical items were the sons of Ivaldi dwarf-like craftsmen. Ancient astronaut theorists suggest these dwarves might have been small extraterrestrial beings similar to the modern depiction of gray aliens. Norse mythology also speaks of Bifrost, a rainbow bridge connecting the realm of humans to the realm of gods. Some scholars see it as a poetic description of the Milky Way, while others claim it resembles the concept of a wormhole or stargate linking Earth to another world. The idea is simple. A wormhole is like cutting straight through the Earth instead of traveling around it. It connects 2 points across space, making the distance effectively shorter.